In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Odoo. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can start accepting payments smoothly on your Odoo website. Make sure you're logged into your Odoo instance with the right permissions before you begin, ideally as an administrator or someone who can manage website settings and payment options. First, from the Odoo home screen, go to the website app. This is where you manage everything related to your online site, including payment options your customers will see at checkout. So, on the main dashboard, look for the website icon and click it to open the website module. Once you're in the website app, look towards the top menu and click on Configuration. This area contains all the settings that control how your website behaves. It's where you'll find options for pages, e-commerce, and of course, payments. Under the configuration menu, click on Payment Providers. This is the central place where Odoo lists all the payment methods you can use, such as credit card processors or online payment services. You'll see a list of providers, each with its own status and configuration options. Next, choose the payment provider you want to add. This might be a commonly used provider in your region or one that your business already has an account with. Once you've identified the right provider, click on Install next to it. This tells Odoo to add the necessary module so that this payment method can be used on your website. You may see another install button in a confirmation window or on the provider's detailed page. Go ahead and click Install again to confirm. Odoo will take a few moments to install the integration. Wait until that process finishes before moving on. After the installation is complete, you should now see options to manage that provider. Click on Activate. Activating the provider enables its settings so you can configure it for your site. Then, click on Enable. This step actually makes the payment method available to your customers during checkout. Think of it as turning the switch from configured to live. Now, click on Connect. This usually opens a secure page or window where you link your Odoo system with your payment provider account. Finally, log in with your payment provider credentials and follow the on-screen prompts. Complete any required verification and confirm the connection. Once that's done, your payment method is successfully added in Odoo and ready for use on your website.